Sulbin is about to push his body almost beyond the realms of possibility. And if you want to try and join him, get ready to hold your breath for as long as you can. He takes one last breath. Focused and calm, Sulbin descends 20 meters to the seafloor. His heartbeat slows to around 30 beats per minute. The pressure at these depths crushes his chest, squeezing the air in his lungs to 1/3 of its usual volume. Even without weights, he's negatively buoyant enough to stride across the bottom of the sea as if hunting on land. By now, the carbon dioxide in his blood causes an almost irresistible urge to gasp for air. But Sulbin must keep his mind on the hunt. After 1 minute and 3/4, Sulbin spots a fish. Sulbin can go even deeper than this and stay down for up to 5 minutes. But he's not one to show off, and after all, he's got what he came for. 2.5 minutes of hunting under pressure on one breath. Perhaps the idea of humans existing as marine mammals is not so far-fetched after all.